In this video, I'll show you how to host a Strapi project so it's accessible online. So whether you're setting up a personal project or deploying a full-scale application, this guide will help you get started. So first, let's choose a hosting provider. So Strapi can be hosted on different platforms like Vercel or Netlify. It is great for front end but needs a separate back-end hosting. And the second one is Render or Railway or Heroku. It is a free tier options for small project. And the third one is the VPS like DigitalOcean, Linode, AWS, or Azure, best for full control. For this tutorial, we'll use a Railway since it's beginner friendly and supports PostgreSQL by default. So first of all, I can't show you directly some steps in here because of restrictions, though I'll explain each step. So listen carefully as I explain. So now to set up a database, if you're using a SQLite, locally you'll need a production-ready database like PostgreSQL or MySQL. And then for Railway, just go to the official website of Railway and create an account and create a new project and then select the PostgreSQL as the database and then copy the database connection URL because you'll need this later. And now, configure Strapi for development. So before deploying, update your .env file with the database details. And then after that, deploy the Railway or other hosts. And now push your Strapi project to the GitHub. Then set the start command and deploy and wait for the build to complete. And after that, secure and optimize your Strapi API. And that's it. That's how you host a Strapi. Now you can access your API from anywhere and integrate it with your frontend. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.